1. What event is commonly considered the spark for World War I? 2. Which of these countries was not part of the Central Powers? 3. What was the main type of combat on the Western Front? 4. Which battle is considered the longest of World War I? 5. What was the significance of the Treaty of Versailles? 6. Which weapon was first introduced in World War I? 7. What was the primary reason for the U.S. entering World War I? 8. Who was the President of the United States during World War I? 9. What was the name given to the German submarines? 10. Which of these battles marked the first use of poison gas?